If your headlight rattles like this, I'm gonna teach you how to fix it. Take a drill bit and knock these rivets out. Once you got it drilled out, you can use a center punch or you can use something close to it. Knock it out, just like that. Just like that. Take a rivet gun. You're gonna take some big old rivets like that. Slide that thing right in there. Tighten it up just like that. See? Thing don't wiggle no more. She's nice and tight. Now we got her all back together. And guess what? No more rattle. She's nice and tight.